Welcome back to our new series where I'm going to go in depth with our new Z Automotive Tazers, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to marry and unmarry them. Since the manual is so extensive, we are going to show you short form tutorials for you to follow. There's two menus. There's one with it on and there's one with the vehicle on run, and we want the one with it on run, so we're going to turn it to run. I'm going to go through our menu, which was just the left arrow and our cancel, and we are going to scroll down until we hit unmarry. This one. And then I go into this one. Now we're going to wait for it to unmarry. Once we've unmarried it, we're going to go ahead and do the full reboot and the 2 sleep cycles. Okay, so every time you make changes with your engine off menu settings, you must do a full reboot and 2 sleep cycles. This is important because the changes you make might not save or your dash might not turn off, which will result in a dead battery. Okay, so to do a reboot, we're going to do left arrow and cancel, and then we're going to scroll through until we get to reboot. Full reboot, and then we are going to press the cruise control. Now, once you have selected that, it's going to count down for you.
A few moments later.
So now once your reboot is done, the screen should look like this, and now we're going to go in and do 2 sleep cycles. The quickest way to do the sleep cycle is to turn your vehicle off, open up the doors, close them, and then wait about 60 seconds. Okay, now that our screens are completely black, we're going to wait about a minute, and then we are going to turn the ignition on, but not the engine. So now we're going to turn it on, and we are going to do the exact same process. Okay, now scroll through and make sure it says marry. Now I'm going to get out of the vehicle, I'm going to take out the Tazer, we're going to go update it, and then we're going to remarry. Okay, so ours is going to look different from yours because we have an extension which is holding it down, but yours is going to be up. That's just why it looks a little different. You're going to press this tab in and pull. You should always have your Tazer unmarried and taken out before you take your vehicle to any dealer service. Now that we have our Tazer out, we're going to go update it and then we're going to remarry it. Okay, if you want to know how to update it, we already have a video that you can watch. Now we have our Tazer updated, we're going to go in and show you how to remarry it. We're going to go ahead and plug them in. It's important that you put your vehicle on run because we need the run menu. Okay, so now we're going to go in our left arrow and cancel, and we are going to go until we hit marry, which is here. We're going to press our cruise, and it's going to count down for us. We now have it turned off and have put it back on run, and we're going to make sure that it actually does say married. So we're going to go to left, cancel, and we're going to scroll through, and it should say unmarry, which means that it is currently married. Thanks for watching our Z Automotive Tazer video. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to like and subscribe.